Love at first sight. Once upon a time, there was a boy sitting near the big tree while listening to music, and there was a girl walking next to him, passing by. The boy saw her and keeps on looking on her face until he realized how beautiful she was. The boy tried to approach the girl, but the boy failed because he was shy, and also the girl was on a hurry because it was raining at that time. The next day, the boy was shocked because he saw the girl once again in the school where the boy is studying. The boy, still being shy, to approach the girl and ask for her name because the boy was not confident. He was not confident for his looks. He keeps on thinking, and at some point he talked to himself, saying, "There's no chance for me to be with her, to be his boyfriend. I am too skinny and ugly for her." The boy kept on looking down himself until he realized he must do something, thinking, "I must do something that the girl will notice me. I must do some workout. Do something with lifting to build muscle, and I must feel good to look good." The boy do his best for her goal to be a good looking guy, that he will not feel embarrassed talking to the girl he liked. And the day has come. His preparation has ended. He achieved his goal to look better and be with the girl he liked.